Hi everybody, I'm Mackenzie from Team GCM, and today we're going to be learning how to make a xylophone out of water and things you have right in your own home. So let's check it out together. The first thing we're going to need to do is gather up some supplies. Are you ready?
So here's what you'll need. I recommend using 3 to 8 water glasses for this project. I only have 6 in my kitchen right now, so that's how many I'll be using, but you use whatever you have. The very next thing we'll need is some measuring cups. We're going to need 3 different ones for this project. The very first one that we're going to be using is our 1 cup measuring cup. That's this one right here. The next one that we're going to need is our half cup. And then last but not least, we're going to be using our 1/4 cup for this project. The next supply on our list is going to be some pencils. This is what we'll be using to play our xylophone. And then the very last thing that we're going to need, of course, is some water. Now it's time to fill our glasses. We're going to start with our most full glass. We'll need our 1 cup measuring cup, our half cup measuring cup, and our 1/4 cup measuring cup, so that we can equal 1 3/4 cup. The rest of our glasses are going to be filled a little bit less than this one, so we're going to fill the rest of our glasses with 1 1/2 cups of water, 1 1/4 cups, 1 cup, 3/4 cup, and 1/2 cup.
So now that we have all of our water glasses filled, it's time for some fun. This is where our pencil comes into play. So you can go from the most filled all the way down to the least filled, or we can start from the least filled and go all the way up to the most.
While playing with the water glasses, I noticed something interesting. Do you notice it too? You do?
Me too! When I hit the glass that has the least amount of water, it makes a higher sound. But when I hit the glass that has the most water, it makes a lower sound. And so if I go from most water to least water, sound gets higher. When I go from the least water to the most, it goes lower. I had so much fun today playing with our xylophone. Hope you guys did too. Have a great day, guys.